make sure to sign up using the link right here at the bottom of the screen. Or just scroll down to the video description and click on the first link that you find there. By using that link, you should end up on this page, where the discount is already applied. Let's get started with the setup by clicking Claim Deal. The Black Friday deals are currently active when I'm recording this video, so this page might look a bit different for you. Here, you'll see the coupon code applied, and if we scroll down, we can compare the business to the premium plan. You can get away with premium, but I would recommend the business plan as it has more of the AI features. The business plan includes tools like the AI image generator, the AI writer, the AI blog generator, and AI SEO tools. I'll click here to choose plan. In your cart, you can see that the 48-month period saves you the most, but if you click here, you can change this. If you click 12 months, you'll still get that free domain for 1 year. Scroll down, verify your coupon code is applied, and click Continue. On this page, choose an email address, create a password, and then click Register. Then go ahead and fill in your billing address, then click Continue, enter your payment details, and when you're ready, click Submit Payment.